lineup. Pero in terms of shooting ability, grabe to.
Grabe.
Kung tumira ng gusto, parang kala mo lapit-lapit ng ring, and he will be a marked man in this game. First possession, mapupunta sa Zaisan. Ayan yung sinasabi mo, Benji.
Ayun na, hindi lang pumasok. Pero this is going to be a good matchup between him and Ozawa. They're both quick and they both can shoot from the outside.
And of course, talking about matchups, etong si Atanasov, yung Nikola Jokic lookalike sa Saitama, will be up against Big Baby. Wala pa rin pumupuntos dito. Step back two, that is short. Big Baby with the rebound, the putback, wala yan. Agawan sa rebound, that will go out.
Grabe, no? Talino rin ito si Big Baby. No? Alam niyo, undersized. Pero he's using his body para makashoot sa loob.
Nagiging paborito na ng mga Pilipino ito si Batsaikan. Sinatawag namin si Big Baby. Every time he's in the Philippines, all out maglaro. Bago makatira yun. Pero pumasok yun, but that will not count. An offensive foul kontra dito sa Zaisan MMC Energy.
And grabe itong si Milakovic. Na, sa kanyang semifinals game, hindi nakascore. Pero yung last basket, yun yung nagpanalo sa kanila.
And he was pumped up after that semifinals game. Tinalo nyo naman yung number 1 3x3 team in Asia, yung Ulaanbaatar, with that booming 2.
Ang akala ko nga, it's going to be both Mongolia who will play in the finals. Pero because of this man, si Ozawa, yung kanyang performance, quickness, shooting, ando na.
Saitama ngayon, may tanga ng 1-point lead. They go inside. What a passing play. Simple there.
Grabe, no? Ito yung key dito sa 3x3. Recognition. Saka pagod ka, of course, kailangan yung composure mo andun pa rin.
Oy, masakit yun. Si Ryo Ozawa tinawagan ng foul. And this is our assist of the game, brought to you by Chooks to Go, the healthiest oven-roasted manok na nag-uumapaw sa flavorful chicken juice. On the free throw line ngayon, etong si Myanmar Soren, the streak shooter, na mukhang minalas dahil puro bati tayo, Benji.
Oo, tahimik kaya muna tayo. Tingnan lang natin kung tama.
And this free throw is brought to you by the new Chooks to Go oven roasted manok na nag-uumapaw sa flavorful chicken juice. First point scored by Zaisan MMC Energy. Sumaksak dito, slicing, mini euro, hindi gagana yan.
Grabe rin to si Milakovic, no? Grabe yung soft touch. Hindi mo pwedeng iwan. And good effort naman dito kay Anatazov. Na grabe yung ang talino maglaro eh. He doesn't need to jump. Ang galing pumosisyon sa rebound.
Si Ozawa ngayon may tanga ng bola. This guy is the smartest, and of course, yung drop pass sa big man nila. Highest percentage shot possible for that team.
Wala ka na kasing ibang choice dito sa defense kundi to switch. And yun yung kailangan mong basahin eh. You need to slide quick to be free.
Talagang may license to shoot siya, oh.
Oo.
He's been 0-5 in his last attempts. Pero tira pa rin ang tira. Here's Myanmar Soren against Ryo Ozawa. Ang ganda naman ng step back na yun.
Oh.
Everything but the shot, though.
Grabe kanina, ilang beses niya rin ginawa yun. And it's kakagat ka eh.
Alam mo, sa nakita nating performance itong dalawang team na to sa mga nakaraang games, hindi mo aasahang magiging low-scoring ball game itong championship eh.
Oo.
Pero yun ang nangyayari ngayon.
Of course, na rin, andyan na yung fatigue.
Oo.
Andyan na rin yan. So kita mo, medyo hindi ganun kabilis yung laro nila. And of course, ayan, we will expect that na puro fouls.
That's a foul on Ulaanbaatar. That will be the third team foul nitong Zaisan on that drive and play ni Marko Milakovic. Pero last touch yata pala si Milakovic doon. So white ball, sabi ng ating referees. 2-point lead for Saitama. This is our championship game. Big Baby for 2. Bira mo makita yun, ha?
Actually, wala ka ng choice kasi.
Travel, clearly. Wala siya sa pwesto noon and may iniinda. Etong si Ulaanbaatar.
Pero makikita mo lahat so sa facial expressions nila, makikita mo yung fatigue. If you will, kasi naubos na eh. If you will compare their games kanina sa semis, parang binuhos nila lahat doon eh. Para makarating dito sa finals.
Parang pinipacing na lang ngayon, and why not? Definitely you're tired, but this guy is 0 of 7, Benji, sa ating championship game.
Yeah, para itong si Milakovic, itong semis. 0, pero nung pagdating ng overtime, first basket sa kanya.
Miagmar Suren fouls Tomoya Ochai. So black ball here. Still a very low scoring ball game sa simula ng ating championship game. Short there. Milakovic second time around off the glass.
Eh sinasabi ko yung finesse nitong si Milakovic.
Chulon Batar sumubok ng dos doon. Wala yan. Here's Milakovic. Oh, big rebound. Milakovic. Butterfingers na muntik na mawala sa kanya yung bola. Maubusan ba ng oras si Ochai dito?
Oh,
Able to get the shot off.
wala pa rin.
Kita mo yung pagod na, Benji, no?
Pagod na.
Oy!
O yun.
Nahuling natutulog ang depensa.
So nagpasab na rin ito si Milakovic. Kanina, andun ako. Iba kasi pag andito ka, no?
Oo.
You're in the panel, pero ando ka sa harap, nakikita mo lahat. Lahat sila, gusto nilang magpasab.
This timeout is brought to you by Chooks, the official dine-in restaurant of Chooks to go. You heard it right. You can now Chooks to stay. At meron tayong kwentuhan with Mika Abisamis from courtside. Mika, what do you have?
This is actually Theodore Atanosov's first 3x3 international experience. He is getting used to the physicality little by little, but he is still shocked by how Asians are just as strong as Europeans. He is used to tall players in Serbia, but for him, kung banggaan lang daw ng katawan ang labanan, kaya din daw ng Asians yan. Sa papugian kaya ba natin, Mark, Papa Bear?
Si Papa Bear kasama mo.
Kaya yan.
Honest lang naman tayo, di ba?
Oo, wala naman sinabi kung paano mo pipigilin eh. Di ba?
At kung may gustong pumigil.
Oo, kung
di
gusto
ba?
pumigil. Basta sinabi lang, subukan mong huwag makashoot, gagawin mo yung paraan. So kung ano man yun,
Bahala na kayong musga.
kayo na nung referee na huhusga sa inyo.
So patuloy ang ating low scoring ball game dito. Tama si Papa Bear. They're trying to conserve their energy. Oh, teka muna. A violation called here. So Big Baby babalik sa laban natin. Papilitan. Etong si Lagva na kanina nag-cramps na. Ayun na naman tayo. 0 of 8, Benji.
Grabe, ayaw pa rin, hindi niya makuha yung rhythm.
Ano yung pasahan dito? Oh, this is a big man from the outside.
He can
Talaga
shoot.
naman.
He can shoot. Etong si Milakovic at itong si Atanasov ay both from Serbia, kung di ako nagkakamali.
Si Miagmar Suren scored his first point there on a drive-in play.
Grabe. Yun yung nagpanalo sila rin kanina. Looking for the mismatch. Ayun ang isang mismatch. Hindi tumalon yun.
Oh, and what a good pass. Big Baby kicks it outside. Chulon Batar for 2. Yes! Isa
Grabe.
na lang ang lamang na Saitama.
Itong pamatay sunog.
Nagpipick up na yung offense dito. Oh, look at that.
That's what-
One-legged shot.
Yun yung gusto mo eh.
Oh,
Na to make him shoot from the outside. Ang problema, nakakonect na siya eh. Dalawa na yung nakonect niya.
big man with a soft touch.
Wala ka ng choice kundi bantayan.
Ito yung 2-point shot ni Chulon Batar. Ang 2-point shot na yan natin sa inyo ng Uling Roasters. Di raw masyado masarap, pero pwede na. And of course, ang ating Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 is a global partner of FIBA 3x3.
Go recognition, yung slide na yun.
Milakovic to Antonosov. The connection.
Ang hirap ng matchup nila eh.
Walang tatapat sa kabilang team eh. Sa height niya eh.
Wala. Kaya pag nauna sa'yo mag-slide, yun nauna lang siya.
Yun yung maganda dito sa kupunan ng Zaisan. Oh, big steal here. Will they... Oh, big block again by Antonosov. Milasovic, wala. Oh, naka-rebound pa yung maliit. Sorry, missed that time.
Grabe, swerte rin itong Zaisan. Sila yung pumasok dahil lahat ng kasama niyang teams from Mongolia are supporting them.
Oo. Kung ngayon lang po kayo nag-tune in, we had 3 Mongolian teams competing dito sa ating Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 International Quest. Milakovic, short on the 2.
Kaya nakikita mo, no, marami tayong nakikitang talented players dito sa from Mongolia. Tapos tinatanong ko nga bakit they don't form a 5-on-5.
Yeah.
Yung pala ang laro nila talaga doon ay 3x3.
Time out muna tayo. Hatid sa inyo ng Chooks, the official dine-in restaurant of Chooks to Go. You heard it right. You can now Chooks to stay. Kung hindi niyo pa nasubukan yung Chooks dine-in restaurant, ang dami na pong nagsusulputan all across the metro.
Ang dami na binuksan.
Oo.
Hindi ka
Subukan
sumama.
Isa lang naman yung na-miss ko.
Ay, isa lang ba?
Isa lang. Parang na-miss ako ni Papa Bear.
Oo nga, no.
1-point lead so far for Saitama. Balik tayo sa action dito. Sa Ayala Mall Soledad. Short stab, wala yan. And now the black shirts of Saitama will have a chance to score anew. Rio Ozawa, wala. The putback is there.
Hindi hawi, no?
Oo.
Lagi niya ginagawa eh.
Nyam Dorj missing there. Ozawa, goes baseline. Land of the Giants there.
Kanina siya yung naging best player. Puro ganun yung kanyang nakonect.
Here's a teardrop. Malakas off the glass. Milakovic tips it outside. White shirts in control. Naalat talaga.
Grabe.
Finally.
Good effort. Good effort coming dito kay Niam Dorj.
Here's Nyam Dorj. Bago makatira, may foul on the floor.
Grabe rin para dito sa Ulaanbaatar, ano? Top 2 players nila. Sila rin actually yung kumakamada kanina. Although maganda rin yung performance nitong Saitama. Wow.
What a move there by Myanmar Soren, but everything but the basket that time. Ang hirap kasing tumira pag nakita mong nasa harap mo itong si Antonosov eh.
Kaya mag-iba tira mo. And a good thing about this big guy, hindi tumatalon eh.
Oo.
So maiilang ka talaga.
15 foul para sa Zaisan. Again, pag umabot tayo ng 17 fouls, that's free throws. Rio Ozawa for 2. Gets it to go. Swak na swak. 12-9 now for Saitama. Big Baby against Atanosov.
Yun ang gusto mo rin kung ikaw itong Saitama team. You want Big Baby to take his shot from the outside. Grabe.
Force 2.
Oh.
Natulog sa depensa. Libre-libre yung tira na yun. 13-9 na ngayon para sa Saitama. Myanmar Soren
wala
weaving
pa
and
rin.
breathing. They go inside. Atanosov. Ang hirap pigilan talaga, Vince. Dapat ikaw nagbabantay din eh.
Ang maganda sa kanya, he knows when to use his right and left hand.
So lumalaban pa dito ang koponan ng Zaisan. They are not giving up. Tatlo ang lamang dito ng Saitama.
Yagmar Suren, I think yun yung kanyang first shot. Grabe, kahit mag-switch yung dalawa, ang lalaki pa rin eh.
Big 2 that time by Marko Milakovic. Angat na naman sa limang kalamangan ng Saitama. And a whistle. Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 is a global partner of FIBA 3x3. A minute and 38 remaining sa ating championship game. Milakovic for 2. Atanosov, nawala yung bola sa kamay niya. Gets it back. Wala pa rin.
Wala na. That's the only way to stop this guy. Yakapin mo na lang.
Ang hirap naman sabihin i-deny mo yung bola sa kanya kasi ang luwag ng ilalim pag nandun siya eh. Ang dali ipasa, lob mo lang, kuha na niya.
Hindi na nga tumatalon eh.
Oo.
At saka hindi niya binababa yung bola.
Atanasov to Ochiai, back to Atanasov. Oh, may foul ay tatawag dito.
7th foul committed by Saisan.
Si Miagmar Suren ang tatawagan ng foul. So 17 foul ng Saisan, 2 free throws for the big man of Saitama. Itong si Theodore Atanasov. Itong free throw na to ay hitid sa inyo ng Chooks to go. Oven roasted manok na nag-uumapaw sa flavorful chicken juice.
Nawala na yung physicality, no? Hindi katulad nitong semis kanina na panood natin. May sinasabi ko nga, yung fatigue factor pumasok na, binuhos na nila lahat yung energy dito sa semis. Grabe.
Here's Magmasuren for 2. He's still looking for that. He's 0 of 9 from two-point country in this championship game. Rio Ozawa against Big Baby.
Alam niyang mismatch sa quickness.
Oh, look
Grabe.
at that. Iniwanan. And things are not looking good, Benji, para dito sa kupunan ng Saisan.
Yes, 8-point lead with 51 seconds to go. And Saisan naman, 7 fouls na. Grabe, yung katabi ko ngayon, nanonood na babae sa likod, sabi, si Tom Cruise nagbabasketball na.
Tapos magpalipad ng jet, pumunta dito.
Oo, sabi ko nga, no? May wig.
Atanasov thought about it, pero hindi muna. Rio Ozawa for 2. Wala. Miagmar Suren. Wala na, ubos na, bench.
O, naubos na kanina.
0 of 10 from two-point country.
Kanina nga sa warm-up, wala na nagwa-warm up eh.
Oh.
Pagod na eh.
Atanasov stretches and scores. 20-13.
And I guess that's it.
Oo.
Big win for Saitama team. Actually, they don't need to shoot anymore.
Oo. And what a journey it has been para dito sa Saitama Aces sa ating Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 International Quest. Nung nagsimula tayo dito, Benji, ang dami nagsasabi it could be a Philippine team, it could be a Mongolian team. But no, Saitama surprised everybody here. Winning the championship ng ating Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3 International Quest. $10,000 and a slot sa ating Cebu Masters.
Para naman sa ating second place, they're going to get $5,000.
Believe ka rin talaga sa kondisyon itong mga 3x3 players.